This VTech Kidizoom Twist Connect camera is well designed for kids. This one is the purple one, but they also have the same camera in blue. This camera is lightweight but feature-rich. It can be easily grasped by little hands with the rubber grips on either side, which also makes the camera more durable in case it gets dropped. There's also a convenient hanging loop to help you carry the camera around to different places. The screen is 2.2 inches, and around the screen are several buttons, including a power button along the bottom right. We have a volume button and play button for the video playing. We have a home button that I'll show you later. We have navigational buttons and a flash button as well. There's also a slider on the right for zooming in and out. Towards the bottom of the camera, you have the USB port in case you want to connect the camera to your computer to transfer the media files. Right beside it is the micro SD slot for storing your video and photo files. And included with this camera are 4 AA batteries. 2 are inserted on each of the 2 handles inside. When you power on the camera, you are on the home screen where you can choose from a menu of options including camera mode, movie mode, video recording, or a slideshow option. There are 5 built-in games and a number of creative tools with more than 50 special effects including frames, filters, stamps, and wacky effects. Here I'm taking a picture of a sheet of colorful gem stickers. And while taking pictures, you can shoot 30 frames per second, and the camera lens rotates as well for taking selfies. And here I'm just going through some of the fun options again. I see some video editing options and settings you can configure for doing transitions and much more.